Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and we're near the closing bell for the bond market. And we'll kind of jump right into economic news, and we'll get to the bond market here in a moment. We had the housing starts for the month of February. So back in January, we had 890,000 new homes being created. The forecast for February was 913,000, so I thought there'd be a slight uptick, and it actually went a little bit above forecast. So good news there that more homes are being created, especially now we're kind of reaching the spring season, and you might start seeing that a little bit more of that popping up. But again, we got to watch this as we had seen before with the the home builder confidence basically was showing it dropped a little bit. So hopefully they continue building. So let's jump over to the headline news here. And the stock market ended up mixed today. The Dow went up a little bit, and the S&P and Nasdaq closed down. Now, earlier in the day, it was up most of the day until towards later on when basically this came up here. Cyprus Parliament basically rejected that tax on the depositors. So now this creates a lot of uncertainty in the market, and now, worst case scenario may be happening where maybe Cyprus now will have to leave the European community. What basically they're all trying to translate what does this exactly mean. So this kind of roiled the stock markets a bit. So we'll jump to see how this has affected the bond market. Now the bond market's been up most of the day here today, which is good. It was even up when the stock market, usually they're competing for dollars, one's up, one's down. But today both were up a little bit, and it actually went up further once the stock market started tanking a little bit more. That money started going into the mortgage-backed securities. So right now we're approaching again a closing point, and it looks like we'll close up about 15 basis points from where it left off from this morning, or about almost 20 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. So we had a nice price improvement for the interest rates today. So good sign there. We're knocking on the door of the resistance here. As you can see, these two bars going across here, this is creating resistance here. As we saw, we challenged it, weren't successful. We're closing right now. Looks like probably in between there, so it'll be interesting to see how this could play a part. As we are also going further away from the 10-day moving average, and that could also help provide some support for us as well. All right, folks, thanks for watching. We had a good day today on the bond market, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.